One car rental company's plan to go greener. The NTSB's plan to keep impaired drivers from getting behind the wheel. And Elon Musk's plan to have robots working side by side with humans. Good morning, I'm Kristen Strakalitis. Welcome to First Shift. More on those stories coming up, but first, 1 in 2 Americans could own an EV in the not too distant future. Bloomberg says just over half of passenger cars sold in the U.S. by 2030 will be electric. The report says it's in part because of consumer incentives included in the Inflation Reduction Act. Legislation calls for a point-of-sale tax credit of up to $7,500 for a new EV purchase. Last year, EVs made up less than 5% of sales in the U.S. That's below the global rate of 9% and well below the adoption rate in China, where new EV sales make up about 24% of new car sales. The National Transportation Safety Board is calling for all new vehicles to be equipped with technology to help prevent drunk driving crashes. The purpose is to limit or prevent vehicles from being driven by impaired drivers. The recommendation stems from a deadly crash in 2021 where 9 people were killed by a drunk driver. The NTSB wants NHTSA to require passive alcohol detection systems, advanced driver monitoring systems, or a combination of the two on all new vehicles. Once the rule is issued, automakers would have 2 to 3 years to implement the technology as standard equipment in all new light-duty cars and trucks. Hertz says it plans to offer more zero-emission models to customers in the near future. The rental car company plans to order up to 175,000 General Motors electric vehicles over the next 5 years. GM CEO Mary Barra says this is a huge step forward for emissions reduction and EV adoption. Hertz expects to begin taking delivery of Chevrolet Bolt EVs and Bolt EUVs in early 2023. Chip maker Nvidia is showcasing a high-performance automotive computer. It's called DriveThor and can control automated driving, driver assist systems, infotainment, digital instrument clusters, occupant monitoring, and more from a single computer. It allows multiple vehicle functions on a single system on chip instead of spreading them across several electronic control units. This lowers costs and streamlines development. Analysts say this will keep Nvidia ahead of rival Intel and its Mobileye automotive chip subsidiary. Tesla CEO Elon Musk wants to make robots and EVs. Tesla job postings say the company will deploy thousands of humanoid robots known as Tesla Bot or Optimus within its factories. The goal is to eventually expand to millions around the world. Musk says the robots could also be used in homes to make dinner, mow the lawn, care for the elderly, and more. He believes the robot business eventually may be worth more than Tesla's car revenue. Musk will unveil a prototype from its Project Optimus at its AI Day on September 30th. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to autonews.com for more news, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at @first_shift. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.